Cash Giraffe does not guarantee a daily login bonus for every user, so opening the app each day does not automatically mean you will receive free coins. By the end, you'll know how Cash Giraffe rewards activity, where to check for available bonuses, and what steps to take if you are expecting a daily reward. Cash Giraffe mainly rewards users through eligible activities inside the app, such as playing available games and completing offers. A daily login reward, when available, depends on what features are currently shown in your account. The first place to check is the main Cash Giraffe app screen. Look for any reward sections, notifications, or available promotions that appear when you open the app. If you do see a daily bonus option, follow the instructions shown inside the app. Some rewards require you to claim them manually, instead of receiving them automatically. Another thing to check is whether your app is updated. Older versions may not display the same features as the latest version. Update Cash Giraffe through your device's app store, and check again. If you open Cash Giraffe expecting a login reward and nothing appeared, it does not always mean there is a problem with your account. The available rewards can vary depending on the user, location, and current app offers. You can also improve your chances of finding available rewards by checking the app regularly instead of relying only on a login bonus. The Offers section is where most earning activities are usually found. Avoid third-party websites or apps that claim to provide unlimited Cash Giraffe coins or guaranteed daily rewards. Only rewards shown inside the official Cash Giraffe app should be trusted. If a daily login bonus is available, the process is usually simple. Open the app, check for the reward, complete any required step, and claim it if the option appears. The main points are that Cash Giraffe does not promise the same daily bonus for everyone. Rewards depend on available in-app features, and checking the official app is the best way to see what you can claim. Your next step is to open Cash Giraffe, check your current rewards section, and review the available offers before starting your next session. Like this guide if it helped you understand Cash Giraffe rewards, and subscribe for more app explanations and fixes.